Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. So today I am here with a boy. He is Tanush Chokshi. Basically, he is a student whom I am teaching Python from since last, I guess, 2 or 3 months, right, Tanush? We have taken 2 or 3 months.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
about three
So
months.
yeah. So basically now just see today how a 9-year-old kid. Yeah, you just heard that right. He is a 9-year-old kid and see just how wonderfully, how beautifully he codes. He codes in a proper manner. He just explains you each and everything with the proper explanation. He will give you all the insights that how to make a happy birthday project using the Python. So basically the IDE which he is using is the PyCharm, right? So I would just not take a lot of time here. I would just ask Tanush to introduce himself and then we can just start with the flow of the coding for today. So just enjoy the video and see that how wonderfully he just codes and explains the thing in a very proper and a very each like very good manner. Okay, let's start with the thing. So Tanush, you are here. Just introduce yourself and take on the flow.
Hello, I'm Tanush Chokshi and I am 9 years old. And I'm studying in third grade and I live in Fremont, California. So actually, I have a big interest in Python because I really am interested in how all these robots work and how all they work. So one day I asked my dad, like, how do all these work? And basically he told me that it happens by all this programming. So then I basically was interested that and wanted to learn how to do all this programming. So here I am today explaining you a YouTube video of how to code a birthday project in Python. So first, we need to download some packages in this terminal right over here. So basically, I am using Mac. So in my Mac, you must write the command Python 3 minus M, well, space minus M, space pip, space install, and then you will write pygame. So this is basically how you must basically install in a Mac, and then in Windows, Miss Shambhavi, you can tell how to install
Yeah,
in Windows.
sure. So guys, for Windows, we have already seen in the previous videos itself that basically how we just install. So the command for Windows is pip install py. Tanush, can you just open the terminal here in this PyCharm window?
Sure, okay, right over here.
Yeah, so here there was a terminal and basically you can just write the command for Mac or command for Windows even in this terminal itself, okay? Now Tanush will basically show you how to install this using the terminal. Yeah, Tanush, go on. You can just increase the size a little bit for the terminal.
Okay, so oh, it seems like I cannot increase the
Okay, it's
size.
fine. It's fine. No issues. Just go on.
But here I wrote Python 3 space minus M space pip space install, and then you basically write pygame, and then you're gonna press the enter button. And since I've already downloaded it, it's gonna tell me like already downloaded. But for you guys, it will just basically start downloading. So this is how you download the packages. And yes, this is the only package that we will be needing for this project. So now we can start. So first, the first line is import Pygame. So this is basically meaning that it's importing Pygame, which means that like Pygame is a library that we've installed. But like this import is basically telling our Python code that from now on this Pygame can be used in our code. And then we're just going to do pygame.init. So this means pygame.initialize. So like finally we can officially use this library. So yes, pygame.init, and then we're going to put brackets. Next, we're going to make any basically any variable. So I'll make mine as Mac, and then we're going to write pygame dot display dot set underscore mode, and then we're going to write 0 comma 0, and that's the mode we're going to set. I'll explain you about it after. And then comma, and then we're going to write pygame dot, and then in all caps we're going to write full screen. Okay, and then we're going to put the brackets. So right over here this means Pygame, our library that we downloaded, displays set mode. So this means we need to set a mode of how it's going to display. So 00 basically means from its left bottom corner, a black screen will hold spring up and it will basically cover your whole screen. Cover your whole screen. And this full screen is basically used to like basically after it does that, it will make it full screen. So if there's any background windows that you have, those will not show. So full screen. So this is what the meaning of this line is. Next, we're going to do, oh, sorry, no caps, this one, sleep. And then we're going to do sleep, and then we're going to do 5. So this basically actually means that like we need to what's it called? Yeah, we need to basically it's we're setting a mode. So sleep means like stay for this much time. So that means that this line, remember, like I told you, a whole black screen would come. So that basically we're putting a time for it. So over here, 5, this means 5 seconds. So keep this whole black screen for only 5 seconds and then proceed to the further instructions that like we coded. So then the next,
Just 1 second, sorry to interrupt you, Tanush. They just try to use that import sleep. So after where you have written import pygame, just make one new line and write here from time import sleep. You just like missed importing sleep.
oh yes. Import sleep. So
Yeah.
sorry guys, I actually accidentally missed this. So this means time is kind of like a big library, but not a library that has like packages in it, but it's like a library that has different functions. So actually time is one library, but it stores functions. And one library is time, and we need to import the function called sleep from it. So that's why we had a red line under here, because like Python didn't know what is the sleep. So now that we put it, this red line is not under there. So make sure to do that. And now we'll move on to the next line.
Okay, yeah, Tanush, you
So,
can just run your program once here or for a while so that they can just see what is the use of the sleep function.
okay, sure, I'll do that. Run. You see it did full screen. Now 5 seconds.
Yeah, so after 5 seconds, it will automatically just disappear because the timing has been set for 5 seconds inside that sleep.
Yes, and then it basically went back. So this is basically what it will look like if you run up till this. And then we're going to add some more. So then we're going to put pygame, our library, dot mixer dot init. So basically pygame is one library like I told you guys, and mixer is basically it's like a package that is in pygame. So basically now we already imported pygame, so that's why we don't need to import mixer, because mixer is a part of pygame. So we're basically importing the package called mixer from the pygame, and we're initializing it called for, and in Python we would write it as init. So now we can use this mixer function. So now we're gonna write pygame dot mixer dot music, and then dot, we're gonna write load, and then so basically you needed to download some mp3 music for this, and whatever that mp3 like file, whatever the name is, you're just gonna put that in these quotes. So basically I named mine soothing music mp3 right over here. So basically this means that it's basically going to load this soothing music, but it's not going to play because we've only loaded it. But in the next line we're going to write the further code so we can play this. So the further code is pygame dot mixer dot music dot play, and then we're going to put the brackets. So this basically means that now it's going to basically find the file called soothing music, and it's going to play it right over here. And this basically pygame.mixer.music is basically from the pygame library. We have the mixer, basically the mixer package, and then the music, because mixer is basically a package that's used for music. So we just put music over here and then dot play, which is a function. Okay, so now after that, we're going to put sleep 10. So this basically means that when it's playing, who knows, maybe you downloaded MP3 music that goes on for 3 hours. So probably you don't want like the whole 3 hours to just play some soothing music. So again, we're going to use the sleep function. So and it's always going to count it in seconds. So I'm going to put 10 seconds over here. So it's going to first after the black screen, it's going to start playing soothing music for 10 seconds. Okay. Now we're going to put pygame dot yes mixer yes dot mixer pygame dot mixer mixer dot music dot load. So this again another file is needed, MP3 music file, and this time it's still like happy birthday song. So my happy birthday song is called trad traditional happy birthday to you song dot mp3. So that's what my basically mp3 music is called. So basically we've loaded it like last time we loaded for the smooth soothing music, and then we're basically going to write pygame dot mixer dot music dot play. So now it's gonna play our happy birthday music. This is like the main body because like the main thing is to play the happy birthday music song. Now we're going to basically take a variable. So I'll put mine as image, and that is equal to. So now we're gonna put pygame dot image dot pygame dot image dot load, and then we're going to put. So this time it's an image, not an MP3 music. It's an image that we needed to download. So happy. I named my happy birthday latest image dot jpg. So this actually should be in JPG form. So the music, I mean the thing, the our image, our image should be in JPG form. Yeah, JPG form. So or else it probably won't work. Then we're gonna do Mac dot, because Mac is a variable that you took over here. So if you took something else, then you probably would put your variable name over here. So I put mine as Mac. So Mac dot blit, and then we're gonna put, oh no, not this. Yeah, Mac dot blit. Then we're gonna put image comma 0 comma 0. So 0 comma 0 is basically the mode, and mac.blit basically means like after this all code is done, it's kind of like gonna make sure that all of these lines have been done. So blit is like pretty helpful. I would say you should put it, and then image 0 0. So again, it's setting the mode, and basically now after image 0 comma 0, we're gonna put pygame dot display dot update. So basically PyGamer library, and then it's gonna display and update. And finally, we're just gonna put sleep, and then I'll put 20 seconds. So that means it will just like keep doing all this for 20 whole seconds. So basically this is our whole code for the for
Just one
yes,
second, Tanush. In the line number 18, go to line number 18. After update,
yes.
they just put the bracket because update is a function, right?
Oh yes,
And we
yes. Every
always put,
function.
yeah, go on, go on.
Yes. Okay. So basically now this is our whole code of basically Python or birthday project. And let me run it to give you a look
Okay,
of
just
how
one
the
second.
final.
One more second, Tanush. Just comment a line number 9 where you have written sleep 5. And yeah,
Okay.
and just one more thing. Just do one thing. Just in line number 13 where you have written sleep 10. Make that time a little bit more because your soothing music starts a little bit late, right? You just take
Oh
it to
yes, yes.
15 or 20, whatever you wish.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll change it to 15.
Okay.
So basically, yeah, this is basically now our whole code, and this is how. So now I'm gonna play it so you guys can basically see like how the whole thing is gonna basically do it. and how it's gonna look. Our black screen, like we saw before. Our soothing music. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
Wonderful.
So yes, this is basically your whole code, and basically you guys can actually surprise your friends and family with this code on their birthday. And yes, so this is all that our project is for today, and I hope you guys liked it.
Okay, so, so Tanush, let's quickly have some questions from you, okay? Let's quickly ask some of the questions. Is that
Sure,
okay?
okay.
Yeah. So, Tanush, in line number 13, where you have written sleep times. Okay, wherever you have written the sleep time, so you have specified a time there, specified some seconds, okay? Let's say here it is
Yes, yes.
15. So if I just exceed these seconds, or if I just take like write less seconds, if I write 10 seconds, if I write 30 seconds, then what will it basically affect on this?
So actually, there won't be a big effect. It's basically just your opinion on how you want it. So like if you want it to be like if you think the soothing music is like really important part of your code and you really want the soothing music to like really be heard, then it's your choice and you can put more seconds, like maybe 30 or 40. But yes, so basically it won't have a very big effect on the code, but basically yeah, it's basically based on your opinion. If you want, like if you think it's very important, then you go ahead and put more. That's all this sleep stuff is about.
Okay, 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 I got that. One more thing, if I just want to add, like, if here you have added only one image, right? I want to add several images, so can I just do that thing?
um so yes, you can obviously do that. You just keep on like basically loading the images. So then you can basically I don't have another file, but then you can just put enter, and then you can basically like make the another variable and then put pygame.image.load, and then yes, you can just keep on putting the images.
Okay, okay, sure. So, yeah, I was having only this much of questions from my side for you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so guys, did you see that how wonderfully he explains, how beautifully he quotes with each and everything in a very proper way? He just explains each and everything in very detail, right? So this is basically all about the happy birthday project which Tanush has made right now, and I hope you just like this project, and even you can just make your project, try it on your own. And even till now, the ones who are just folding their hands and sitting and only listening to the videos, no, things do not work like this, okay? You just need to go and open your laptops, download the files, download Pygame, sorry, PyCharm, Pygame, and even you just need to start code and make your projects, right? Just one more thing here, that basically how to install Pygame, how to install Python, how to add images in the PyCharm. So basically here is one rule, that the images which you will be using, you will be storing that images in the PyCharm folder itself. So basically how to do all of that thing. So for that we already have a separate playlist on my channel. So that playlist is basically IDEs for Python programming, right? So there you can just go and have a look over the all the procedure for doing all of these things, right? And the course source code will be available to you in the description, basically in my GitHub account. So I will just provide you the link for that. Okay. So I hope you just enjoyed the whole video. And Tanush, at last, we want to say something to your friends?
um No, nothing else. All I want to say is thank you for watching this video, and I hope you really like it and it's very useful and helpful to you. That's all I want to say.
Okay, so basically the Holy Week is going on the channel, in which I'm just daily and daily giving you holy hangamas. So once again, wish you all a very happy Holi.
Yes, happy Holi.
Okay, so we are just meet in the next video. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.
Bye.